Be negative in French using advanced phrases like ne jamais, ne plus, ne personne, and ne rien, set to the song Cheap Thrills by Sia. Come on, get your French speaking on. You sound like a novice, but not for long. So keep on listening to this song. You won't stay a novice for very long. 'Cause I got new phrases, I got all you need. To be negative, be negative, baby. 'Cause you don't need no pas to be negative. Try ne jamais. You don't need ne pas to be negative. Try ne plus today. You don't need ne pas to be negative. You can just try ne rien. You don't need ne pas to be negative. You can try ne personne. Je ne voyage jamais en train. Qu'est-ce que tu dis? Tu ne vois personne. Il n'y a plus de billets. Elle n'achète rien au marché. 'Cause I got new phrases, I got all you need. To be negative, be negative, baby. 'Cause you don't need no pas to be negative. Try ne jamais for never, ne personne for no one, ne plus for no more, or ne rien to mean nothing, and put the ne and the other word sandwiched around your conjugated verb.